PTON stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So in general, Peloton Interactive stock are sitting at $9.41 and it is 8.5% down for the day. And the way that I'm observing this is I obviously, let me just come here, want to take things higher. Now, I'm sticking to a like strategy that I've refined over 33,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships, but doesn't change the fact that this is still a pretty good bullish market. So I'm marking the highs out. Boom. This is where we are. All right, this is a 30-minute chart right here. Actually, yeah. So this is phenomenal. I mean, in general, this is like a demand zone. So if I see a 15 to 30 to 5-minute, like even like 30-minute double break here, there's nothing stopping me from buying even more, you know? So that's how PTON looks like. So I'll definitely continue to keep you updated and I'll just keep waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.